Hello guys, welcome back. So today we have a heater and look how it's arrived in parts, yeah? So the story with this one, it was sent to a service partner. They tested the heater, sent it back to the customer. When he mounted it, it was not working. So it went to another one and they have looked at it and they say it's something is burned. It does have a strange smell, they say. So they send the heater like this, and when I smell, it does have a specific smell, but the whole case, not just they said only the electronics. It's an interesting smell, yeah. I'm sorry I cannot share that with you. So first of all, let's see. There is a spacer here somehow, and even this, how did they even put this here? So we can already have a guess at the quality of the mounting. And this won't come off. Okay. I have to mount it to the test bench, so anyway I have to take that spacer down. Here we cannot see anything. We have a few hits and bruises here on the fan, but we don't really know it's from transport or from mounting, we don't know yet. We have the electronics here, and they said maybe this one is burnt. It does have a smell, but it's the same smell all over the heater. Even this. So it's, I don't know, an interesting smell, but I don't think something is burnt here. Okay, so we have also the gasket, some accessories. Oh, even the controller. I wonder why they send the controller. Yeah. Anyway, and even the harness, look. So there's some dirt here, so it's clearly not a very clean place. And we have also the harness, look. Okay, so we have plus here, which is going to the fuses. Okay, so here, I don't know why this is cut. Anyway, we have the diagnostic wire. And there is something here. Oh, so look. And this is how they made the connection with this thingy. Now from experience I know that these are not really appropriate. Maybe it's losing some current here on this connection. We'll see. There is another wire cut here and another one cut here. Man, I have no idea what's going on here. Why did they... So it is interrupted where? It's close to the heater. Yeah, it's... And this one is going to the battery, or not? Where is this going? Okay, so I have no idea why this is cut. Maybe it was something put here in between, who knows? And also the fuel pump connector is removed, yeah. Okay, so we don't care about this harness first. Let's put the heater together and test it, and we will see what's up with that harness. I don't know how to test that harness because I don't know how to connect the pump. So we mounted the heater. Let's put the power supply on. And let's see, even with the customer's controller. So from now we can see nothing is burned. Let's do a quick reset. Yeah, okay. This should not delete the errors. English, yes, 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 we don't care about this. Okay. And let's see if we have any errors. We do have. We will have to look those up. Yeah. Anyway, let's see if we can start the heater. I will not delete them and we will look again. So let's start. The heater is starting, yeah? You can see it moving, but we don't have any fuel. Okay. I will bring the fuel here. I just tested another heater here. And I have only one fuel tank. And even this I made myself. Okay, we can see some smoke. Let's connect the exhaust also. Let me see if the fan is running, but it should. Yeah, the fan is running. Let's wait for the fuel pump. And I'm pretty sure those 300, those errors will be something with CAN interruption or something like that. By the look of that harness, I would suspect that. And I think that the brown wire that was cut on the harness is going to the controller, because I don't see anywhere a brown wire. Here we have a brown wire at that gauge, yeah. I also have extras here because I sometimes connect something else, but I think this is the wire that is cut and is running to the controller. And probably this is why they had so many interruptions or something like that. The heater is running fine. So nothing wrong with the heater at this point. I just wanted to test this also, but it's fine. I will go get the diagnostic tool and see the errors from the memory. Anyway, let's see active. There are no active and stored. Okay, so watchdog reset. Yeah, this 5. Yeah, this leads us to some power issues. CAN communication, another 5. Yeah, so probably if there is no power, there will be no CAN communication, or it has something to do with that brown wire. Yeah, that it's interrupted. Invalid configuration. We have 16 of those, and probably this is power reconnects. Let's see what is 3.2 in the manual. I opened up the manual. So 3.42, sorry, point. Okay, what is it? ADR coding. ADR. This should not be. No ADR on this. but I'm not surprised. Who knows what they are doing there, and probably from all these power interruptions, or they are putting plus on something they should have not. But let's see, is this heater configured to ADR? I should have not been able to start it if it was ADR. So let's see. Normally, I think for 12 volt there is not even ADR mode and A, so it's not available because it's 12 volt. I don't know what these guys are doing, but so no ADR is configured. No. What are they doing for these ADR errors? I don't know. But anyway, we already should have a problem if there is a problem with the heater, but the heater starts without any problems. So let's see the mirror fault. Yeah, this will give 17 failures, so invalid configuration, too many watchdog, can, flame abort, exceed overheating, too many watchdog. Okay, so we have 22 here, yeah, and this is power problems, can communication error, watchdog reset again, flame abort again overheat, again 22. So this is just crazy. We cannot delete this because these are in the memory, but we will write them to the report. Yeah. So we will can we write this? Yeah, probably if we stop the reading, we will write this. We will write this also, and it should be here in the errors. Yeah. So we can see exactly what's going on. So we have power issues here. But there's nothing wrong with the heater. So I have connected the customer's cable. I did find a workaround for the fuel pump, and it's no surprise. The heater's doing nothing, so it's not powering up. And let's see if we can find anything on this cable. Okay, so let's first watch what is the most simple. It's to check here at the heater. Let's see. So positive, negative, and surprise, 0 volts. So 0 volts at the heater. Okay, let's try to figure out where the problem is. So we do have, yes, 12 volts. Which one do you suspect? Let's see here. 2 volts. 2 volts here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. 2 volts here where this wire is cut. So that means, do you think the problem is here? Who knows? Let's see it the other way around. I will put the negative on the battery and let's see at the fuses. 12, 12, 12, 12. Yeah, we do have 12 volts here. So we do not have 12 volts on the negative. Yeah, nothing. I mean, no, here it's okay. So we should put this on the positive. Oh, I wanted to check here also. Yeah, the connector. Where is the connector? Here. I'm pretty sure we have 12 volts here. Yeah, we do. Okay, so next, check for earth or minus. So we already saw. Oh, now we have 12 volts here. Did we do something? We do have 12 here. We do have 12 here. What happened in the meantime? Let's check again. 12. What's happening with this? Or did I move the fuses? Let's see. So let's put this back to negative. 12 volts, okay. I don't know how to hold it here. I do not want to push it inside the pin. So let's see. What happened in the meantime? Nothing. Now it's fine. But it wasn't at first. Let's see, is this one powering on? Yeah, now we have power. I have no idea. And exactly this erratic behavior is why the heater is having so many errors. Let's see. We put this on. No heater, no problem. We will have a heater. So what's happening with this cable? 1 second is working, 1 second is not. And there was no power, man. I have no idea. We don't care about all this, we just want to start the heater to see if it starts. Okay. Let's see. And the heater wants to start. But just 2 minutes ago we had no power. Okay, let's see. Let's let the ignition come in. We see the power draw. Where is this one? Yeah, it's drawing now 7 amps. So the heater is starting now. So why we didn't have no power at first? It's drawing 7 amps and the heater started. What is going on here, man? Okay, let's try moving the fuse. No, nothing. This one, nothing. Here. Yeah, this is heating up. So this connection here is heating up. Right here at this place. Okay, so we have the fault here. And looks like sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It stopped. Okay, I don't know, did you see? Yeah, I'm really happy I caught this. So we have our problem. So believe it or not, this blue thingy here is the problem. So I moved it and it sounded like a spark and the heater stopped. So yeah, there's no reason going after something else. This is it. Okay, look, and it restarted. Then I'm moving it. Sometimes works, sometimes not. So this little thingy costed the customer a lot of problems. They took out the heater 2 times and so on. They also cut a lot of wires here. Yeah, the pump and everything else. 2 workshops just because of a wrong installation. So that's not a connection that can supply power. Probably it worked for a while. Then it heated up a few times and it's gone. Let me open it up. I will open up to see how it's inside. And I don't know if you can see. So there is a metal clamp that goes through both wires. And this is how the connection is made. And if you can see, one of the connections is oxidized. So you cannot really see the wire there, it's just some green thing. Yeah. The other one looks a little bit better, you can still see some copper. So guys, this is it. Yeah. And this is probably the heater worked for a while until that connection got oxidized and then it's gone. But there is no way to make a connection anyway. For 10 amps, yeah. Well, that's it. It's good that we found the problem. Of course the other connections are dodgy as well, on the plus and on the earth, but yeah, this will send back and we will tell the customer what the problem is. And I'm thinking about also making an invoice. Why not? I just lose my time for nothing, yeah? Okay, anyway guys, see you on the next one. Take care of your connections. Bye bye.